National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Somerset County in west central Maine, northwestern Oxford County in western Maine, northern Franklin County in western Maine, northeastern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 20 miles west of Kilburn-Gore to 15 miles northeast of Dixville Notch to 6 miles southwest of Merrill, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Merrill, Lake Humbug National Wildlife Refuge, Kilburn-Gore, Rangeley Lake State Park, Stratton, Rangeley, Kingfield, Eustis, and Carabasset Valley. Heavy rainfall can't be expected with local ponding in streets in low-lying areas. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southwestern Maine and New Hampshire.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WSM-60 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz from Glen Hill and Dresden.